how to assemble a trimmer, a TrimTech trimmer. Just remember, when taking out from the box, try and get the trimmer flat down and then pull the trimmer out. On the inside, you're going to find a package. Inside the package, you're going to get your handle, owner's manual, you're going to get the guard, trimming wheel, and on the side of the packet, the mounting screws. Put your hand to the back of the trimmer box and slide out. If you pull out by the handle, what's going to happen is you're going to pull out the cable from the inside, extending the cable. It's going to make it hard for you to now try and assemble. When assembling, you've got arrows on either side of the trimmer itself. Those points. All you need to do is push that in. When you push it in, you're going to listen for a click. It's going to be a nice loud click. Once it's in there on the click, it's not going to come out again. Click. Push your cap over. That's locked. Number 2, the handle itself. Arrows again. Once your arrows are in place, push down, click. That's not coming out. That's locked in. Then you got your guard. Guard goes in from the top, as such. Push in, and you're going to find your mounting holes for the guard on either side, and on the top, you're going to get your screws. Mount the bottom of the guard first. Then you can come back and put your edging wheel on and then mount on. Phillips screwdriver. Do not over tighten. If you do over tighten the screws, you're going to pull the nylon body apart. Your screws are not going to fit in properly. Once it's tight to the hand itself, that's fine. Got your edging wheel. Edging wheel's got a lip on the inside. That sits on the inside of the guard itself. Locate the holes itself. Put your screws in. Once that is done, that there is your cutting edge on the trimmer itself. We're gonna put on the handle next. Handle, it's got a butterfly strip on it, opens out. Slot handle in and over, straight in, over. Screws in, butterfly nut, tighten. The next thing I'm going to show you is on the handle itself, it has a cord holder. That's for the pigtail. If you do not use the cord holder on the pigtail, you've got the possibility that that pulls out on the extension cable, pulling out the pigtail wire from the actual switch on the inside. Extension. The socket that goes into the pigtail wire itself. Loop from underneath. Push it straight through the hole. Straight in, over the clip, pull straight down. So that's going to loop in onto the actual clip and come straight down. Then you take your extension lead itself, plug it in. Now you've got no tension on that, but you got all the tension on that. So you're walking around pulling the extension, you're not going to pull out your pigtail wire. On the nylon wire, we're going to show you how to remove the cap, which is a quick release. Thumb in, push, your cap opens up. No need for screwdrivers, butter knives, or any of those sorts. Pull your clip out, that's your nylon clip. That's your bump head. That's the spring that activates the bump head. I'm going to show you how to re-spool your line, your nylon line. Just going to take all of this out quickly. In, we're going to find our two ends of the cable itself. Put that together. Pull your cable. You're going to find the half point. Find your half point. On the bump head itself, you have arrows on there that indicate which way to wind. It says rewind. You've got a slot on the inside that you slot over it. As such, put your thumb in between the two nylon line, and you wind it in the direction of the arrow. As your arrow facing down, you wind in that direction. It's going to take a few seconds just to wind this up quickly, and then I'm going to show you how to insert it back into the bump head. On the bump head itself, you've got two slots, one on the top, one at the bottom. That's just to hold your nylon line in place itself. You wind that around, you bring it up, straight back in. That will hold the line in place up until you put it into your bump head itself, into your head. Spring first, bump head, nylon line goes into the actual eyes of the head, straight through, opposite side, straight through. Do not pull the line up until you've got your clip in place. Get the clip, pull the line, that's it. Yourself a blade on the opposite side that will trim the line for you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's your trimmer now ready to be used.